I thought I really enjoyed my job. Then COVID-19 happened and I put myself forward to redeploy for social services, having had previous care experience. I was then redeployed to domiciliary care. I did 7 days training and then off I went. It was very daunting to begin with. I was quite nervous. The people that I went to see were lovely. The staff was so welcoming and just made me feel really relaxed. And I suddenly realised that actually this job was a really nice job to do. I smile all the time. I love the people that I am helping. Yes, some days are a challenge like every job you have, but actually you're making a difference. And for some people, it's a huge difference. Just seeing a happy smiley face walk in, make them a cup of tea, have a chat, just make the difference to somebody's life. I am so pleased that I was given the opportunity to do this. When a permanent job came up, I applied and successfully got it. My life is completely different now. It's a new challenge. Every day is a new challenge. You never know what you're walking into sometimes, but actually just seeing their faces, just making them a cup of tea, having a chat. You might be the only people they see all day. So actually, you are making a huge difference. I thoroughly enjoy my job and I'm really, really pleased that I was brave enough to make the change.